Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Visme to create your lead magnet and host it at the same time. In my book, Onion Marketology, I share many marketing tactics, and one of them is to write a book. But instead of writing a book, you could consider doing a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a PDF download that you have created for your target audience. It can be an ebook, presentation deck, a checklist, or any other valuable information that people want. And you put this lead magnet on your website to get people to download for free in exchange for their email. And then later, you could follow up with a sales process. Well, it is always the best to host your lead magnet on your website, but if you really don't have a website, there are also other ways to do so. Visme is a graphic design tool that allows you to design any graphic that you like, and recently I have created this infographic, the 8 keys to creating a recession-proof business. And I have posted this infographic on my Facebook page, as you can see from here. So whenever a person click on the link that I enclose here, it will divert them into a sign-in page, which looks something like this. And in this sign-in page, you need to fill in your name, email, and company before you can view the content. So I'm going to show you in a quick example, my name, email, and the company. Right? Then I click submit. Then the infographic will show incompletely. So with such, after you have filled out the information, you will be able to capture the visitor name, email, and company. First, you have to enter to the editing mode of your project, and this is an example of the infographic design that I have, but it can be any other design. Then after you have completed all your work, click on the share button here, and you will bring into this form. First thing you need to do actually is to create a publishing link. So it's very simple. You just need to click here, publish, and get my link, and this will be your publishing URL. And then come to the advanced setting over here and click on the privacy tab on top. Over here you can see there is a require registration. Turn it on. That's all you need to do. It's really easy. From your Visme dashboard, click on the form result to see who have viewed your work. So over here you can see I have just recently keyed in, so you're able to capture the name, email, and company on which project people have viewed, and then you can download the data in the CSV format. Then you can upload this CSV file to any of your CRM email management system and further communicate with them with an email or other means. To build a complete marketing plan, first you need to have enough leads to do the marketing. So having a lead magnet is an excellent method to do so. So create your lead magnet today.